Hey everybody, it's Dave's Trades. We finally broke out of that channel that was in my earlier video, so I just wanted to capture it on video for everyone, and let's go through the paces and see what happens next. Let's trade this thing. I'm on my laptop, so it's got the mouse pad and everything. We still haven't closed down with pressure. I mean, this would count if we can close that candle red right there and take out this low. So we'll see. We still have 30 seconds if it closes down below here. So if it closes at 98.50 or lower, that'll be our key right there. And we're coming down here probably. We'll see what happens after that. And that's the first support right there in this zone. So that's the first support. It's where it bounced last time right here before we got this bull run. And it's off this last high, that peak that we took out right there. Had a pullback in price, and then we continued. That channel that I was talking about, if anybody would have seen the same thing at home, or in their trade station, wherever they're at, that would have been the best buy like ever, because it hit the bottom of that channel, and it's pretty much support right there. That's where the candle closed the highest. And I guess you could draw it anywhere right here. It's the highest close. So if anything, that's the main resistance that you can map out. Something you can map out, and to hit the 15. So I mean, that's just perfect. How much would that trade would have been? And we did go above 37. We hit the top of this channel pretty perfectly too. I mean, I didn't adjust anything. You guys can go back in the last video. I just opened it right back up and pressed record. 6.5 points. Go to 37.2. 37.175. 37.0175. So yeah, we just closed that down pressure. So we're probably coming down here. I was talking too much, but let's see. And then once it comes down to about there, we have to see if this is going to cross over. If it does, usually it comes back, hits that, so we should get a pullback back up to the high of this candle, 38.91. 30, what the fuck, 99, 36.99. Come back up, hit that, and then see if we get rejected or not. That'll be your chance to get in, is when it comes down here, bounces and comes back up to that 15, that high of this candle right there. Okay, let's see what happens. It could just break right through and everything I said just doesn't matter, but, we'll see. I mean, that's within one tick, so we'll see if it keeps going or if it bounces back up to that high. Shit, doing this. Let's try to watch this in the 1 minute. Get a little bit of a better view on here. Okay, so came down to within one tick. Let's see what happens now. We're waiting for 99 right here. See if it gets rejected with 99. I know. Let's see. And then it's still got to break this. Because so far, right now, it's support. So if you really want to wait for confirmation, you'll wait till it breaks this and closes below. But if you're aggressive, you'll get in short right here, 99. If it even gets that high, we'll see. MACD is starting to switch over. This would be a really aggressive position. Let's check the Heikin-Ashi. Let's see if we, yep, we're in trend mode. Got those two green candles depending on where this closes. So, sorry. I'm a smoker, so I cough. I know it's not healthy, but I like it. So. I was looking at some of my other videos. Came up and hit it, got rejected so far. See what happens next. Like I said, if I was being aggressive, I would have got short at 99, which I guess I could be aggressive. Yeah, let's just take the trade. Hold on, let me sign on. Let's sign on. Can't stay on too long. We'll do it with the. We'll do it with the. We'll do it with the 30K one that I was up on today so far at 451.90. Okay. All right, we're hitting that bottom support right now. So that would have been a good trade actually. It's too bad I wasn't signed in. I know it's only for it's for 5 ticks, so I'm trading 3 contracts. So 15, 187.50. We are breaking it, so we'll see if we close below it, and maybe we can get back in. I'm glad that worked out, though. Glad I was able to catch that live for everyone. So that's a really good example of how to trade. You can use different styles to better understand what's going on. You can experiment for yourself, see what works best for you. Everybody's different. So let's see what happens. I like switching to this because this is just like super aggressive on this. We're starting to push below. Let's see if we can get below and close below. Maybe I should have 2 charts open. Oh yeah, I can have 2 charts open. Haha! I can have more than 2 charts open. I haven't tried this yet. I'm glad I thought of it. Okay, I can actually show you guys how I set everything up too. So edit studies. Got mixed potential, moving average. Change that over to a 15. Then we get weighted moving average. Make that red. I don't like that red. I like the dark red. Yeah, it's like a red line in the sand, you know. All right. The RSI. I don't really need that. I got that on the other page. I think that's all I need. Okay. So those are the two moving averages. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Simple moving average. Yeah, there we go. And now I change this to 180. And I like the color green. So there we go. I like darker green actually. I know I'm spending so much time on this. It's kind of yellowish. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Let's check back. Yeah, it's starting to bounce, but it's getting rejected by the SMA. Oof. Let's see here. Kind of looking like it's bouncing off. See how that line chart really helps? We're not really on support right here. I mean, we are oversold though. See this on? We're gonna see if the four ticks are gonna help or not. We are below the 9. I mean, there's really no promise this is gonna go up. Delta started to increase or decrease. Ooh. See this chart? Look at this. It's great. It's great. Great stuff. See? You never know what's going on. Should probably do this so I can load everything. Probably gonna destroy the frame rate. I'm sorry. Down 37 so far. So if I had my stop loss on there still, it'd get me out in one tick. Let's see what happens. Delta is not increasing. We are oversold though. So we'll see if Delta can increase. See if buyers start coming in. Doesn't look like it is. Yeah, it doesn't look like it is. Kind of think that's my out right there. Let's see. Yeah, I know we're breaking below. I know, I'm really indecisive. Alright, well, yeah, no, we're breaking below. We're oversold. We're so far from here. kind of makes me think we're going to go back up to here, but oh jeez. I mean, look how good that channel was. I mean, you can really see it on the 1 minute. It was just perfect, honestly. And then when it finally broke it, we started selling. So see if we come back down here. 90, 95.75. Volume has dropped off. It's kind of picked back up, but see if it starts picking back up and any kind of bull case. Another thing I like to do is do this. So we got quite a few different charts. So there is some consolidation around here, and we are on the oversold side. That's why I'm only trying to get 1 point out of it, which is actually proven to be kind of difficult. I'm going to just wait and see. There we go. See, by all means, this can keep going. I've seen this RSI, Relative Strength Index. I've seen it go down to like 4. So if there's a lot of selling pressure and we want to come back to VWAP, see, look at this. This just adjusts itself all the damn time. You gotta scroll out. I don't understand this. Maybe I gotta change it because I changed it. Nope, it's the same. You see? I don't understand this software. It just has a lot of trouble. I mean, even look at it. Like, I can't spread this out. I can't see the price. Like I'm just using it basically for the indicators and this price levels. It's not like this. Unless like they need to upgrade their stuff. This is awesome. I can see everything on here. And I can use more than one chart. It's like super easy. Like TD Ameritrade is, to me, by far the best trading software out there. So, yeah. I think we, we came within 2 ticks of that. And then we went right back up. So, it's a good thing I only scalped it a little bit. See if we can come up and close above the SMA. If we can, come up and hit this resistance. That would be 2 points. Nice little day trade right there. I want to get rid of this channel over here, but I just love looking at it because it's just so nice. It's just so nice, It just, it's so nice. It came right back into that zone. It's really crazy what happens when you're just patient. Right back into that zone. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think when I mapped this out, I was thinking, we'll come back and test it. If we close below it and start selling, then we'll probably come back to the main support down here. But, yeah. I think I mapped that out on the 5-minute. So, yeah. Yeah, it's the first, I think I talked about that. It's the first highest candle close and the high, so that's like the zone right there. Oh, looks like we're starting to get some bullish action right here. Ooh, 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 ooh. If it closes above that, I'm fucking going in. My candlesticks, right? Yeah. Okay. Just making sure I'm not on Heikinashi. I kind of want to go long here, but it is getting rejected by the SMA, so that was a resistance last time. Look what happened when it got rejected last time. Not saying that's going to happen, but we had a lot of other things playing. It was under both of the 9 and the 15, so it had that downward pressure over the last 9 and 15 candlesticks. One's weighted by volume, and I think the other one is more so on price. Study parameters and data, use historical market data and information gathered by TD Ameritrade, investment strategy, That's just a disclaimer. Where's the exponential moving average, EMA, is a type of moving average that assigns greater weight to the most recent price data. Okay, so yeah, it is priced like I thought. Unlike the simple moving average, where all data points have the same weight, and the EMA's weighting factors to price data decrease exponentially. Yeah, so in case anyone's wondering, that's the definition. So yeah, this one's volume, this one is price. If you want to, we can go and we can look at that one also. Uh, oh, I guess I have to search it on here. Oh, it just says exponential. Where's the... It's not letting me click on it. That's weird. Okay, well, anyways. Oh, it says delayed up here. Uh-oh. Delayed. Why is it delayed? The frick? Oh. You know, I'm curious, what's the margin requirement for 1 micro? Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, that's so stupid. Whatever. This computer sucks. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Okay. Yeah. Maybe I'm running too much. I don't know. How do you look that up again? I think it's under here. Yeah. MES. Oh wow, it's like 1200. Holy crap! How much is minis? Where's that? /ES. I don't know if it's in alphabetical order. Oh, there it is. Oh, 12,100. Okay. 1250. Oh, yeah, this is only, micros is only $1. Micros, yeah, it's only $1. Wow. How much are commissions? Do I have auto trade on? I don't know. I don't want to. Okay, good. Auto send. I don't know if it's on the other chart either. Auto send off. Okay, good. Alright, so I'm gonna buy down there and see what the commissions are. I'm so curious. Oh, it's $3.50 a trade. Wow. This is exchange fee, NFA fee. Oh, 2-cent exchange fees. $1.23. Okay, and then that's TD Ameritrade's fee. I bet you can, the commission, I bet you can talk them down. But yeah, $3 a trade isn't bad, but you only make $1 a tick, so you'd have to be in swinging for that kind of thing. Wow, that's dope. What did I say, 1200 it said? Yeah, 1200. Wow, that's cool. Hey, maybe we'll trade some micros one of these days. That'd be cool. I just had that idea. Alright, well, starting to get above there. Still getting rejected by the SMA, it looks like. But yeah. I might have to cut it off here. I'm getting tired. I've been up since 3 a.m. and I've been sitting here in the chair. And the market's almost closed anyways. And I'm just glad I was able to hang out with everyone. And we'll just add it back later. That's alright. There we go. Closed up 525 on the day. Minus commissions, of course, because we're in the combine. So our total is 469.50, and had some losing trades. Shed a tear for the loss. Yep. Basically, if anyone's trading this and sees this video, what we're waiting for is to see if it breaks and starts making higher highs above the SMA, or if it gets rejected and comes down and breaks this, and set an alert. And it could either or, either or can happen. I don't know the future. You just gotta wait and see what happens, and when it happens, trade it. If we start closing down below here and start selling off, I would hop in short. If we start, coming up above here, and I think we're going to go up to above 3,700 again, then I'd buy. So, hope everybody enjoyed that. You got to see the outcome of that channel, see what happens when it broke out of the channel. Watched me as I walked you through it. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notification, press the like button, leave a comment, tell your friend, tell your mom, tell your sister, tell your brother. Have some fun. Hope everybody enjoys their Christmas break. Merry Christmas to everyone, and we'll see you again on either the 28th or the 4th. Alright, take it easy. This is Dave with Dave's Trades. Remember, just keep going.